Shlur Kapatisi TV.
Together we achieve, together we can fly, reaching for the sky.
Ïakhun University, Meghalaya.
Dakajing job bat yodeng ya kapang snget Miss Universe Meghalaya 2026. Katay samla Sanwaka Surong menta kala jam sa syakaway pat kakerdan. Kata banlet ya shim menta ka jing yakob kabaki way rude kitay dait riam na keleng gijela kari kin yakob. Ban pong ya kapan snget Miss Universe India 2026. Kalong ka kapapan sngo sarong ya ka jela Meghalaya bakani ka khun samla kan mi khmat ban Ïakhun bat yora ya kana Miss Universe India 2026. Kam menchua ka thai samla Sanwaka Surong kala yo ya ka kerdan first runners up hakam Miss Cherry Blossom 2018 bat Miss Meghalaya 2019 ka top 5 finalists haga Miss Teen India International. But kala sya penkup buram kum ka Sunsilk Mega Miss Northeast 2021. Hadian kumba sausnem AA bangi klem yo sngo syapang jongka namar ki kam shimet jongka dang sian pat kalapau pertai biang daga jing job ya kana Miss Universe Meghalaya 2026. Kalong kabrio ka bajai jai shisur shidur bomdan jing bishni pihun ya giwei. Kalapas ya ka postgraduate tourism and travel management bat menta ka tray kum ka communications coordinator ha ka OTT platform ban nungkong jong ka sorkar ka Hello Meghalaya batru ka anchor ya ka program The Weekly Show. Watla gani ka thai samla kala du no yala ka kemi ukpa penban ki din jat jongki kia lam lenti ya ka om tang ban yo deng ya ka pang sngat nrei ban kenjo ya ka thong bat banwan ra kanam kaburam.
Hi everyone, I'm Sanaka Surong, your Miss Universe Meghalaya 2026.
So, good morning everyone. We would just like to have a very quick interview with Miss Sanwaka Surong. So, ma'am, as you'll be leaving for your national competition today, so how are you feeling?
I am overjoyed. I am truly honored because I'm not just representing my state, I am carrying my roots with me. So, you know, going there, representing Meghalaya on such a national, on such a prestigious platform is something I think every girl dreams of, and I hope that I would be able to make everyone back home feel seen, represented and celebrated.
And how is your preparation going on?
My preparation has been very, I'd say it's been a roller coaster of emotions. I've had my ups and downs, but despite everything, I promise that I will give my 100% and I will truly showcase Meghalaya in a way people have never seen it before.
And would you like to give a short message to the people of Meghalaya and everybody who's going to watch you?
Yeah, so my message to the people of Meghalaya is that thank you for your support and for your love, and moving forward I would really need your support and love, because what am I without your love and support, right? So I would really need your support, and also I would want to say to the youngsters, and not just the youngsters, but to everyone in general, never stop believing in their dreams. You know, where you come from should not define how far you go. So never stop believing, keep on, stay humble, stay grounded, and always believe in yourself. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Ms. Sanwaka Surong. The people of Meghalaya are with you, and we wish you and all the best.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Pidan dukan marbam ndai compare la ka bared ka pidi harut surok ni ka bahe kum ki restaurant bat ki wei ni pishat roti shat kiek bat ki wei na ka benta ka koi ka khya chongi pat ba nong bam nong di pat ba pinyo ka jing shania naki pidan kam bandon de ka license ka papaka ka bala ithu da ka an kata ka Food Safety and Standards Act arajar henril ling ba ka section lai phoi iwei Pamde ka ba pinyo ka license Pila ban apply ko online link ba ko website foscas.fssai.gov.in daga ba pihap pan upload ru yaki kot kisla badan kam kat kum gajat jingkam jong pi. Pila ru banyak kendo yaki designated officers lani food safety officers ke badan hak office terekam jong u lani ke district medical and health officer habaro ke district ke badan Megalaya Leit no tang is kasihers pila ban Leit bed chak office terekam jongki ke commissionerate of food safety ke badan halowa lachumya nakabenta ke kot kakya kinong bam nong di lawan Rashapi daga Commissionerate of Food Safety, Government of Meghalaya, Bat Balakirshan daga Food Safety and Standards Authority of India.